Good evening, everyone. So, guys, today we are here to discuss about a topic, and our topic name is liquor should be banned or not. As we all know that liquor is also very important for our life because doctors are recommending us liquor, like Dr. Brandy, and by the help of liquor, just we are getting sanitizer. So, sanitizer is also a part of liquor. So in coronavirus time, government allowed all the liquor factories to produce sanitizer. So we can say that liquor is bad and liquor is good, but it is depending on us how we are using it. If we are using it in a correct way, then it is very good, and if we are taking it unnecessary without any limit, excess of everything is bad. So without wasting much time, first of all, who is ready to come on the stage to say something about
Sir,
liquor?
good evening, everyone. Good evening. First of all, I would like to give gratitude to Mr. Ravi sir, who has given me this chance. So thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Today I am here on this podium to speak something about a topic, and my topic is liquor should be banned or not. So why liquor
Why liquor
has not banned? And liquor is like a snake. We all know that snake is poisonous, but the snake's poison, doctor makes many medicines and save many lives every year. Same like liquor also, we all know that liquor also a poisonous thing, and but doctor use it as a medicine.
Okay.
Now I want to share demerits of liquor. Lower class pupils taking liquors without limit, consuming liquor without limit, and they are working morning to evening, and they are at night they pay all amount to wine shop, and most of the car accidents happen due to liquor because people after consuming liquor, people drive the car, and it is very risky and dangerous. And my third point is, they all know that they came to know that there is a alcohol in liquor, and they drunk that, so it is very harmful for their health. Now I want to share merits of liquors, and many doctors recommending liquors because liquor is used as a medicine. And we all know that this is corona period, and we need to sanitizer to kill germs, we need to use sanitizer to kill germs and virus. And without alcohol or liquor, we can't make sanitizer. So this is all about my topic.
Okay. Guys, put your consume liquor.
I don't consume liquor
Okay. Why don't you consume liquor?
because it is very harmful for our health.
Okay. So, but you are saying that this is very useful for medicines.
Yeah, many medicines made up of liquor, but they also use as a advantage. We
Okay.
also take their advantage, not disadvantage.
Okay. So, what message you want to give to our citizens? People should consume liquor or not?
They should not consume liquor.
But you know that liquor is for luxury life.
Yeah.
When we are having pain, many people they get tired to work morning to evening. They need relax, so they use it as a medicine.
Yeah.
They use it.
They don't feed it more and more.
And you know that without liquor there is no party. When you are having any function at your home, and many people they come to your home, they ask for liquor, and without liquor they think that party is incomplete. So what do you think? What do you want to say?
I think, sir, that we should not take liquor in party.
Okay.
Because there is more people in party,
Okay.
like childrens and others,
Okay.
old age persons.
Okay.
So that's why.
Okay. So you know many students they are getting addiction. Many students they are getting addiction in the age of 12-15 years they are in the habit of consuming liquor, what message you want to give to them?
I want to give a message. They should not consume liquor because it is very harmful for their health. They will get cancers like disease and many diseases.
Okay. So will you try to consume liquor in your life?
I will not try to consume liquor in my life.
Okay. So Vishesh, can you please tell me, there are many movies, okay, like Sharabi, many more movies are available in the film industry. They are also promoting liquor. What do you want to say about these movies?
I think so that they should not give license to these movies, this type of movies.
Okay. One song is there, अगर नशा शराब में होता तो नाचती बोतल. So it means liquor is not alcoholic. People those are consuming, they are alcoholic.
These way are wrong.
There are many songs available in film industry. One popular song is there of Honey Singh, चार बोतल वोडका, काम मेरा रोज का. Lot of youngsters, they are appreciating this type of songs. What do you want to say?
I say that they should not appreciate this type of songs. They should appreciate only Hindi and simple songs.
One song is also, latest song is there, Sarabi Sarabi, मैं Sarabi. The song is there, Sarabi song is there. So according to you, liquor is, but you know that government is taking the largest tax by the help of liquor. If government is not providing liquors, so they will not get tax, and they will not be able to make infrastructures, they will not be able to provide good facilities to our country. What do you want to say? If government is not promoting liquor, you are saying that liquor should not be used, liquor should not be consumed. What do you want to say? If people will not consume liquor, so government will not get the tax, and they will not get any type of revenue.
They get revenue for because of liquor, but they know there is many lives destroyed by liquor.
Okay. Very good. Put your hands together for him.